Hey guys, I'm Adam. Today I'm here with Razi. Uh,
Hello.
Today we're gonna do the dodo bird event. I don't know, but Razi, look, they make the barbarian more cooler, I guess. Oh, free! I think I accidentally left the meat. Wait, guy.
Bird.
Oh, so the dodo bird is very rare, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, that means
Basically, the dodo bird is like a legendary cat. It spawns randomly in the map. If you're the first one to find it, then no one cannot get it.
mm-hmm. So
So
you're
if
saying
an team have it or any other team have it, then we cannot get it.
we might waste our time?
Yeah, we might waste our time to find the dodo birds, but some people get lucky and get the dodo bird right and spawn.
Do you get it?
No. Well, I did get a dodo bird and spawn. That was pretty lucky.
Oh, lucky. But someone may have taken it before you, lol. That's why you said you didn't get the dodo bird. Oh yeah, guys, this is a natural story. Dodo birds are actually the most stupid and the most stupid bird on earth. But because they're dead, I don't know who's the most stupid one.
On my way, I got the baker kit on so that I can heal myself whenever I'm in war.
I'm gonna use Melody.
I'm using the baker.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Dude, buy blocks and then just go find the dodo bird. You said they're pretty rare, so let's not waste our time.
And yeah, if there's like 3 J's in our team. What the heck?
Yeah, people these days already have trade. That means we shouldn't have. That means we shouldn't have play less big. But we didn't.
But
Oh, I see a
yeah,
dodo
it's
bird.
because
What?
I didn't have my phone.
Only I can take this stupid bird.
What did you say? Did you find the bird?
Yeah, I found a bird.
Where?
Oh, diamond Jan.
Oh, someone took it.
Nah. Oh, I'm scared. No. This is my dodo bird. This is my dodo bird. Mount. Oh. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yo, you got it.
Yes, I got it. Whoa. I die with it.
You
Oh,
bet you because if you die, you lost the dodo bird.
dang it.
That's what I think. When yeah, that's what I think.
Yeah,
If
that's
you
true.
die, then you dodo bird.
My dodo bird. All I wanted was a bird. And that is the most stupid bird in the world, okay?
Just getting armor. Just getting armor.
What the? What are
It was
you
Elder
doing,
Tree.
mate? Yeah? I think half of us I usually get in a match and I usually see an elder tree. So I think maybe people
You, you
that
want the new kids? Two of the new kids is in our team, and there's 3 J's.
what do you mean new kid?
And the last kid from last week. The last week new kid. Yeah, there's two of them here. I forgot the name of the kid.
Barbarian? Oh, Melody.
Yeah, okay, but you
Oh,
popping
whoa,
in.
whoa, whoa, whoa! TNT tech at the base. Ah, god damn it. Now,
Ah, Frank, I'm gonna go suicide. Goodbye.
yeah. A whole new world. Okay, don't. Okay, are you serious? Game
Let's do
2.
squad because I forgot to switch to the bounty hunter.
Oh, yeah. I use Melody. Frick. I mean, at least I can heal you in battle, I guess.
No, I'm the baker, so I just need to get lots of food.
Yeah, but in case you're almost dead, I can like heal you already.
Yeah, because it
Uh,
takes time to get some heals from the food.
I'm stupid.
Faster. Okay, thank.
Okay,
I've got the generators are much more slower. Hang on, let me do.
yeah. After getting, you know what? Just let me do the honors. After getting diamonds and getting armor, lead ones,
Alright,
lead
there.
armor. One of us like has a bot they can shoot. Oh,
Goodbye, I'm gonna go to war. Wait, I need to buy some food.
yo. Our
Oh yeah,
neighbor has Jake kit. Oh frick. I don't want this diamond. I don't usually take spares.
I'm how apple. Ooh, speed pie. No, that's too expensive. 2 emeralds for one speed pie.
That will make you extra fast. So if someone's trying to kill you, you can use the pie and gain super
I'm
speed.
getting lots of apples just in case I'm about to die.
Can you give the apples?
No, you can't drop the apples.
Dude, I see tanker do this. You can actually throw the balloons away from your inventory, but that's
Then
only for not mobile players. Oh look
yeah.
who's finally trying to get some armor.
Yeah.
Yes, guys.
I can
Yes.
go to war with 4 apples. See ya. Oh yeah, I forgot to get some blocks.
Oh, of course you did. See.
What did you say?
Can you at least buy a stone sword?
Yeah,
Seriously.
I'm gonna get myself an iron sword because why not?
Yeah. Why not?
Alright, let's go to war.
All right, now I can heal you in battle.
Yeah, but though, just in case you cannot hear, I have apples.
Wait. The dodo might come here. Nice. Oh, that.
Yeah, it might come. Oh, frick. I almost lost my 4 apples.
We can't let nobody get. If someone has the dodo bird, we can't kill him. We might can't get the dodo bird because he's got no
Yeah,
spawn
because
apparently.
when I had
You
the
go
dodo
left or you
bird
right?
dies, yes, 3 emeralds, baby.
I thought someone attacked you. What the hell's it? Oh, Grim
Don't
Reaper,
worry,
Grim Reaper with diamond, Grim Reaper with diamond armor.
oh no, dude, Team Glass
Run.
is still.
Why? Oh, oh, my emerald.
Yo,
Yeesh.
I'm alive. I'm alive.
You
I
you
kill
distract him.
me. I'm immortal.
Yo, ready? You. All right. Show him the middle finger. Yo,
Yo, so yo,
please
let's go.
dismount.
Yeah, here's the
Dismount, dude.
here's the dope bird. Let's go.
Yo, he can dismount. Please dismount.
What?
Please dismount, dude.
Oh,
Wait, how did
he's
he
saying yeah.
even get the dodo bird? Okay,
Oh,
Junior.
he came from the dodo bird must be from that direction.
Oh, let's hope there's still other dodo birds.
No, there's only one exists. What?
Oh,
Only one exists. Only one exists. Only one exists in the wild.
I mean, yeah, that
Yo yo
makes
yo.
sense. Dodo birds are extinct, anyways. Oh, great.
The adventures. Yo 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 yo.
Fly.
Oh my
Yo,
god!
look,
I just
look,
down from. I just saw a jade fell down.
look how he jumps. Look how that bird
Yeah, that's what I'm
jumps.
saying. He can fly and jump. Yo, someone sniping us.
Oh, this is pretty.
Someone sniping the dodo bird guy.
Yo, 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 yo. What team's that? That's Team Red. Wait, we're Team Red. Oh, never mind. That's Team Green.
Oh, yes, one diamond. Nice. You can get both so that I can get a crossbow later.
No fair.
And
You have that. You have emeralds, man. Wait. The Grim
I have.
Reaper. Wait. Should I? You should fight him and I'll heal you, okay?
No, I have 4 apples ready to go. Look, I have 4 apples.
Okay. But if someone's really hurt, retreat to base.
Yeah.
Be careful.
The green fish get. Why the
Oh,
green
wait.
reaper
Team Blue.
getting ammo?
With the whole squad.
The Jade is coming. Jade is coming.
What?
Ah! I got shielded. Hmm.
Sounds.
Hey, I got an idea.
What?
I'm gonna put the middle finger on top of all base.
I know how to do that. Let me do it.
Now let me get stone. Switch out the wood for stone.
1, 2, 3, 4. No, not there. 4, 5. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright.
What are you doing?
Doing the middle finger.
Oh my god. I'm building one middle finger over here, dude.
I am building up. I think Mr. Beast will disappear with this YouTube channel now. I think everyone will be like, hey, you guys are only like 17, what the hell?
Yeah, they're gonna be like, if you guys were only nicer.
Yeah, I think we shouldn't put the middle finger, but it is what it is.
Let me just go get the diamonds.
Okay, I'm done. I think everyone can see it far. Let's see.
Oh god.
You can
That's
check.
5 diamonds.
Can
Next one.
Rosie look up?
Oh my god.
That was
Wait.
alright.
Yo, you have 11 diamonds. We have 11 diamonds.
How many diamonds we have?
11, and we have 2. One more diamond. One more diamond.
Oh, six. Protect Z in all costs. Wait, what happened to your dodo bird? Right. After getting diamond out. Guys, I actually have to do the bird. What the heck?
Oh my god, that was so lucky. This is the second time that spawns. That spawns near the spawn.
That means the dodo bird might die. Yo, wait, what? Yo, team green. Wait, where did he go? Wait, let's use.
It's in our pants.
Yeah, let's use. You know what? Never mind. He's stuck now.
Yeah,
Alright.
it's so.
It's seriously, I'm so lucky, and everyone was seemed thought
Hey,
I just took
yo,
it live.
yo, Mr. Cream, Mr. Cream, Mr. Cream,
Ooh.
Mr. Cream.
Hey, yo, Grim Reaper.
Wooden sword.
Oh my
Yay.
god, the lagginess. Oh. Wait, how do we dismount this thing? Oh. Wait, no. Give it back.
Yo, the donut will spawn spawn at the iron
Give
generator again.
back.
This is the second time that it happened. Yo, he's flying. Never mind, he's not flying anymore.
So mean. I still get emerald armor stat at the moment. Alright guys, good news and bad news. The dude finally gave me my dodo back and I died. I was stupid. I have an idea.
What's the idea?
We should just reach everywhere. So if someone dies with the dodo bird, it will just respawn like me. Remember? The dodo bird was with me, and then I got shooted, but my
Wait,
dodo bird is
let's
still
test
alive.
some one on tell you versus 30 on the custom match.
Hmm. Oh yeah, let's do 30 custom match. Wait, Sophia wanna play with us? Do you guys want to
Well,
duo
who's gonna
versus
be what
solo?
team?
What do you pick? Duo versus solo or 30 versus 30?
Duo versus solo.
If duo versus solo, we're gonna do 30 versus 30 match. So
Who's gonna be what team?
wait, you both fight
Wait a
me.
second. Can
Okay.
can we do this? We play custom match and then we have a seeker.
Yeah.